Hey, hey, hey! Magandang umaga sa inyo! So, surprise! Meron na tayong individual zodiac readings for today. Good morning! Good morning! Okay, Virgo! Virgs. So, start na natin ang reading mo on love life, career, finances, etc. Okay, so start na tayo. Virgo, kamusta kayo? Earth sign. Give me situations, okay? Ano ang pinagdadaanan ngayon ni Virgo sa kanyang love life, career, finances, okay, family? Okay, so tingnan natin, ha? I'm a Virgo myself, ha? Wish, hope, praying, yearning. Okay. Virgo, some of you is praying, okay, hoping on someone, okay, or something, okay. So, meron kayong pinagpipray or wini-wish sa divine, kay Lord, okay, na mangyayari. Siguro ito yung matagal mo nang gustong mangyari sa life mo, sa love life mo, okay, sa career, okay, sa finances mo, okay. Ooh. Yung iba sa inyo, is looking for something, someone, okay. Yung iba sa inyo is merong hinahanap online, okay. Looking information online, okay. Some Virgos are researching right now, okay. While the others are praying, okay. It can be meditating, okay. Most of the Virgo siguro na nanonood ngayon is a spiritual person, okay. So, hoping, praying. Meron kayo ditong matagal nang gustong wini-wish. Okay. So, tingnan pa natin. Some of you is it can be investigating, okay. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo is a police woman, okay. Children, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, it could be a mother, okay, a Virgo mother, family woman, okay, family man, okay. Okay, meron ako nakuha dito, yung iba sa inyo is cleaning the closet. What I mean is throwing out old things, okay, especially sa ex. Okay. Ooh. Virgo. Meron akong nakikita dito na yung iba sa inyo is embarrassed, okay, embarrassed or merong pinagdadaanan, okay. Cleansing, okay. Okay, some of you is a spiritual person, Virgo, okay. You are meditating right now, clearing space, okay, removing negativity, throwing out old things, okay. Meron ako nakita dito na some of you is searching online about designs ng bahay, okay, about searching interior furniture na po pwedeng i-design sa bahay because yung old old furnitures ninyo or yung mga kagamitan ninyo sa bahay is either pinamimigay ninyo, okay, tinatapon ninyo. Kasi siguro iba sa inyo, since spiritual kayo na person, naniniwala kayo siguro, yung iba sa inyo naniniwala sa feng shui, Virgo, okay, so, pwedeng, yun nga, since papalapit na ang bagong taon at Pasko, yung iba sa inyo nagpapaayos ng bahay, okay, cleansing your energy, okay, hindi na looking forward sa past, okay. So, tingnan pa natin, Virgo. Ano ang lagay? Ano ang lagay ng finances ninyo? Hamster wheel. Surviving daily hustle. Okay. Some of you is busy right now doing hustle. Okay. Kasi nga magpapasko na. At magbabagong taon. And most of you is gustong magkaroon ng malaking amount sa bank account. Okay. Reconcilable differences, divorce, final. Okay. Some of the Virgos is having a divorce. Okay. Yung mga ano sa inyo ha, yung mga Virgo na having issues on their marriage. Okay. Siguro yung iba sa inyo is nakikipag-divorce sa partner ninyo. Okay. Yung meron kayong anak nito. Okay. So, on the table in reverse, offer, proposal, commitment. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo is ayaw munang mag-focus sa love life. Okay. So, meron akong nakikita dito na some of you is praying. Okay. Praying for finances na maging okay. Okay. Or yung iba sa inyo, it could be meron kayong meron kayong inaayos sa court right now and you are praying na mag-grant na yung divorce ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, ayaw mo nang ng commitment. Meron ako nakuha dito, some of you Virgo is having a court trial, okay, about divorce, okay, and you are looking online for some records, okay. Siguro, meron yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, is yung partner ninyo or yung husband ninyo is nag-cheat, okay, and napag-isipan ninyo na wala nang pupuntahan, wala nang tutunguhan, and you are hoping and praying na matapos na yon. Okay. So, this, you are throwing out past persons, okay, yung hindi na nag-work sa buhay mo ngayon, okay. So, meron akong ibang nakikita sa inyo na some of you is gusto na matapos na itong divorce, okay. Kung yung iba sa inyo is yun nga, nasa process ng divorce right now, and gusto ninyo na bago matapos ang bagong taon or as soon as possible is matapos na, okay, yung mga dapat yung tapusin sa life ninyo. Gusto niyo na mag-start ulit, okay, ng panibagong buhay, okay. Okay. Discarding, throwing out. Okay. Trash sa buhay ninyo. Virgo. Okay. It could be a love life. It could be a career. Okay. Diba? Because you are already done. Okay. Completion, lesson learned. So, kung ano man yung mga challenges or yung mga kinaharap ninyong pagsubok sa buhay ngayong taon, okay, ayaw nyo nang dalhin yon sa susunod na taon, which is 2024. Okay? Kasi nga, some of you already completed, already learned your lesson, okay? In marriage, in finances, okay? So, tingnan pa natin, Virgo. Ano pa ba ang pinagdadaanan, okay, or coming situations ng ating Virgo Earth sign ngayong December, okay. By the way, this reading is for December, Virgo. Okay, so katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, okay, you are finalizing a settlement, a divorce, some of you, okay? Siguro, yung iba sa inyo kumukuha ng evidences online, okay? Kumukuha ng evidence para mas malakas yung what I mean is yung laban mo siguro, at para matapos na nga yung divorce, okay, mo doon sa past person mo, okay? Past happen, okay? Yung mga nangyari from the past, okay? Gusto mo nang kalimutan, gusto mo nang mag-move forward, okay? And paano ba mangyayari yun? Syempre, if you are having a trash marriage, so yun nga, you are throwing throwing old people, okay, old persons, okay, from the past. You are cleansing your energy, okay, clearing space and removing negativity on your life, okay? And yung iba talaga sa inyo, nakita ko, gusto mong matapos yun as soon as possible, okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Virgo. Additional information. Oops, gumalon. Okay, Venus, offer. Oh. Integration, union. Oh. Nakikita ko kasi, siguro yung iba sa inyo, maybe Virgo, some of you, siguro tapos ka na on clearing trash on your life, okay? Finalization of your divorce. So, siguro you are already single right now. And, yung iba sa inyo is merong natanggap na offer. Okay? A settlement, okay? Pwedeng merong kang nakuha ditong child support. Okay? From your ex-husband, okay? Your ex-partner. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Additional information for Virgo this December. Okay. Oops. Oh, masculine. Yun nga. Katulad ng sabi ko nga. Meron ako nakikita dito. Some of the masculine who is Virgo is dating. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo is dating. Or, kung yung ibang Virgo is in divorce process, yung iba naman sa inyo is having a union, okay, sa partner nila. Ooh, okay. Additional information for Virgo. So, Virgo, you are in a transformation right now. Okay. Very, very big transformation. So, magbabago ang buhay mo dito. Ooh. Okay. Nakikita ko dito, some of the Virgo is, after the divorce is, back to being pretty, okay? Being single, okay? Back in dating. Okay. One card, last card for Virgo. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro, yung mga done na sa divorce, okay, you could be receiving a offer on a masculine, okay. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo makatanggap ng offer from a masculine, okay. Siguro, yung nangyari na divorce is on the past. And, right now is, nag-transform ka na, okay. You having a transformation, okay. You already single na, okay. Yung mga galing sa divorce. Okay. Oh. Meron ako nakikita dito, some of the Virgo is will receive an apology from the past person, okay? And asking for your forgiveness, okay? And it may trigger conflict sa'yo, okay? Conflict sa'yo doon sa past person, okay? Maybe this past person, nakita ka Virgo na you are dealing with someone new, and you are having a union Kasi siguro you are back on dating scene right now, okay? And this past person, okay, want to apologize to you kasi maybe you are having a transformation, you are looking very, very good right now, okay? Mas nag-blooming ka, okay? Mas sumex ka, okay? And you are back on the dating scene, you are back on the market. So nakita nung past person na yon, okay, and it may trigger disharmony or conflict sa'yo, Virgo, ha, kasi nga you already cleanse yourself na kasi, okay, and maybe this person is, alam mo yon, trigger all na, alam mo yon, yung para kayong hindi kayo magkasundo, it will trigger you again, okay? So po pwedeng magkaroon ka ulit ng disharmony sa sarili mo, okay? What I sense here is the advice is cleanse, okay? Cleanse yourself, cleanse your energy, cleanse your body, okay? Cleanse your space, okay? Para kung ano man yung mga naiwan mo pa na memory from the past is totally mawala na ngayon na magti-2024 na, okay? Sabi dito, discarding and throwing out old things, okay, from the past, okay? So para at least wala nang bakas, okay, sa bagong chapter mo ngayon, okay? So Virgo, okay, bottom of the deck is a chemistry, okay, a passion. Oh, this past person is watching you, okay, spying you online, okay? This person is spying you online, okay? Kasi this person wants to apologize sa'yo, okay? But you know your self-worth, Virgo. Kaya hindi mo na to i-allow na pumasok pa sa life mo, okay? You already transform, okay? You don't settle for less, okay? Because you already learned your lesson, okay? At yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi ka pa if you are a Virgo and you are hindi pa nag-cleanse ng energy, okay? Hindi ka pa nagtatapon ng about or memory from your past person, siguro old clothes, kung ano man yung mga agreement, okay, or mga kompromiso mo na involved yung from the past, the advice here is totally cleanse it, throw it, cleanse your space, cleanse yourself, okay? Okay. So, yun lang ang ating short reading for Virgo Earth sign, okay? So, leave a comment, guys, sa ating Virgo self-worth. You know your self-worth already, okay? So, leave a comment, guys, sa ating Virgo kung nag-resonate sa inyo to. So, I think this is overall a in the love section, okay, ng Virgo, okay, this December. Okay, so una ko po munang i-read individually is earth sign, next is water sign, air sign, and last is fire sign, okay? Guys, po pwede mag-resonate sa iyo to kung ikaw ay Virgo in moon, okay? Virgo rising, okay? Basta meron kang placement ng Virgo, it could be resonated sa'yo, okay? So, again, maraming salamat, Virgo, sa ating buwan namanong individual zodiac reading, okay? Maraming salamat. Bye!